Hi, my name's Elizabeth Kandall, and I'm going to read my poem, The Bird and the Hour. It was written after Billy Collins' poem, Litany. Okay. We are the bird and the hour, the session and the fee. We know we are the commute and the dream, but we are also the trees in Central Park, the eyes of the feral girl, and we're even the boiled wool blanket covering her shoulders. We are the bird in flight, the bird on its perch. We might even be the hummingbird tuning his magic stillness, treading air. But let's be clear, we're not the birds in formation flying north or south. We've never been a chapter in a textbook or even a case study in a handout. We could be an out-of-print book found at a street sale, but probably not the unframed print in a bin further down that same street. I like to think of us as the fire between the logs, the grain in the wood, and the way we don't hear a squeak in the newly repaired gate. We can be the tapered fingers of the unusually tall Japanese pastry chef, the open mouths of the choir, the boarding pass for the flight home. Can we be pastries on display in the bakery window and the man who stops to admire them? I know. Okay, let's be the children who watch the man looking at the pastries as he decides not today and walks on carrying his closed umbrella.